This is an RGB kit that will work on any computer, any desktop computer. There's no software to install, and it's $15.
Drum roll, please.
You can order it right now off Amazon, and it's been available for years and years and years. And nobody thought much of it, right? And all these people want to spend their hard-earned money to add blinking lights to a computer that affects nothing with performance and nothing with reliability. It's just adding tacky, gaudy nonsense. Well, if you want to add tacky, gaudy nonsense, you don't have to spend your hard-earned money. You don't have to spend that much. You go on Amazon and you get yourself one of these, right? It's under $15. You put some magnets on it. You could stick it right on the side of your computer. Now this one has more than, what does it say, 214 pieces. So this is the standard definition. And if you want the high definition, that would be the little pegs. You'd need 1920 by 1080. 1920 times, so you need about 2.1 million if you want HD.
Okay.
And it runs off batteries. You can make it blink, and you can have it breathe, or have it move the light back and forth. You can put your Call of Duty logo on there, pirate. Oh, but I want to warn everybody who's all fascinated about RGB. This is for ages 4 and up, okay? So it's not if you're under 4. If you're 3 years or under, then RGB is not for you. You have to be 4 years old or older. Right here. Thank you for watching this new quick tip series of videos, and I hope you enjoyed it. If so, you can let me know by clicking the thumbs up button below the video. And if you want to be alerted anytime new content is posted to my channel, be sure and click the subscribe button. After that, you'll see a little bell icon appear. Be sure and click the bell icon and make sure that the notification button is checked and how you want to be notified. That's going to wrap it up for this video. I'll see you all again very, very soon. Until then, bye for now.